Fins up, friends. Today, I've got a beautiful Dreamsicle ready for you in Phase 5. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Come on in, it's perfect for gathering. Welcome to this beautiful Dreamsicle. It's as serene on the outside as it is on the inside. You've got beautiful beams and fixtures, and I love this flooring to pull it all together. A beautiful living room focal point. The beautiful quartz top off this open kitchen. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath. Now let's check out the den. This area can be your private guest quarters. And I love it. You're almost home. So give me a ring. I've got all of the details for you down in the description, and let me know what questions I can answer for you. Talk to you later.